Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would just do a quick video on how I wrap my newborn baby. My son is currently 13 days old. I used this wrap with my last child. So this is a Moby wrap. Obviously if you've got one, it's a long piece of material and I have folded it just once here. So there's flaps facing at the top where the label is. So if you fold it all the way down, usually when I fold it, it tends to fold all the way down without me doing anything with it anyway. So if you get the wrap and put it on your stomach, like so, and then what you want to try and do is fold it without twisting it, which I found quite difficult and I still find difficult sometimes as well. So it's folded here, and then what we're going to do is put it over our shoulder without trying to twist it, because it's uncomfortable when it's twisted. So when it's flat against the back, like so. So if you see, we've got the flaps on the inside here. And then what we're going to do is tuck the one here. So again, like I said, the flap is still here. So that goes over that side, and then this side goes here. So they're folded, you see, folded here across the body. Then tighten it round the back, and then if you've got some left over, you can tie it at the front or at the side, and then tie it in a knot. Yeah, so if you can see here, I've left it a little bit loose so that the baby can fit in, and then you've got these straps here. So you can loosen this, or you can pull this, which makes these tighter. So I'm ready to put the baby in now. What you can also do as well is you can pull this over the shoulders. It helps distribute the weight of the baby a bit more as well if you want to do that. But I find if I've got a jacket over the top, sometimes it rides up, so I'll just leave it like that for now. So I'm just going to get the baby. So my son is about £8.15 at the moment, so he's not tiny. But what we're going to do is take the flap which is closest to your body, so this one here, we're going to open the pocket up like so. Now, it might look like the baby's uncomfortable, but according to the Moby Wrap YouTube page, this is a developmentally appropriate position for the baby to be in. So you get the flap, put the baby in, and the bum and the back, tuck them in. Then do the same with the other side, and then put this over the baby like so. Okay, then this part here with the tag goes right over the baby. Now look, he's comfy there. Hello. So you can walk around with the baby like this. Obviously as the baby gets older and the head doesn't need as much support, you don't need to hold on to the baby. But if you are going to be doing things around the house, or you know, you need your hands free for the other children, for example, what you can do is put this flap over the baby's head, and then it's supported, or the other side as well. So you can put the flap over the baby's head. So they say to make sure that the baby's close enough to kiss, that you can hear them breathing, and that the head isn't like really pushed down, that the head's like slightly tilted like so. And it's a really, honestly, I absolutely love this wrap. When I had my daughter last time, after a couple of days I put her in this and I was just able to get around, hoovering, cleaning up and things like that. So yeah, it's really fantastic, it's really comfortable. But there are tutorials on the Moby website and I will put links below. I just thought I'd make a video to show you how I do it. I really hope that it helps you. And if it did, or you've got any questions or anything, then please leave a comment below. And if you're new to the channel and you like this video, then please click the subscribe button if you'd like to see more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!